This HZXVOGEN generator cord kit combines a heavy-duty 50-amp cable with a matching inlet box, making it a practical all-in-one solution for connecting a portable generator to a home or RV setup. The cord uses thick copper conductors and a rugged, flame-resistant outer jacket, so it stays cool and dependable even when carrying a high continuous load for extended outages. Its pre-drilled inlet box with multiple half-inch knockouts gives you generous space for larger gauge wiring and makes wall mounting and hookup straightforward for most homeowners or electricians. A clear green indicator light on the inlet box cover provides an immediate visual cue that power is flowing correctly, which is reassuring during storms or nighttime use. The twist lock plug and connector create a very secure mechanical connection that resists accidental pullouts, while built-in strain relief helps protect the cable from bending stress. Being both UL and ETL listed and designed for outdoor conditions, this kit is well suited for whole house backup in harsh weather such as heavy rain or hurricane season.